Hi everyone, this PC use Windows 10 but not active. Show this notification on screen right bottom side and also show screen right click, then personalize. Get show you need to active Windows before you can personalize your PC, and not possible for background change this section. If you go to this PC and right click to properties, show your Windows edition, like I use Windows 10 Enterprise, and downhill show Windows is not active. Then now start work for Windows activation. First open text file and select all, then copy text, minimize, and new text file and open, then paste all text, then file, save as, and location like desktop. And this is most important, I use windows.cmd. please share this extension .cmd, then save. We get cmd file and minimize this. Now cmd file, select run as administrator. Show this screen. Please wait some time. Please wait just 20 or 30 second. Wait sometimes. And wow, notice again the connection to the server failed. Trying to connect to another one. Please wait. Wow, desktop screen remove Windows activation notice. And now close this. And again open file explorer and check properties. Yes, remove a not active message, and try for personalize and check for wallpaper change. Yes. Wow, I got changed to desktop wallpaper, and again another one change. Wow, oh, it's awesome. Windows active text file download link video description. Please subscribe my channel and get more tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.